Hi, I'm Paul Roetto. I'm voting yes on question 1 and 2. We need to maintain funding for our children. Vote yes on question 1 and 2.
Hi, I'm Kim Meacham. I'm going to vote yes on questions 1 and 2 because our schools need our support, and so do our students, and don't forget the teachers. Thanks.
My name is Dave Maish. I just want to let everybody out there know that I'm going to vote yes on questions 1 and 2. We've got really good momentum. We've come a long way in 2 years. All of our schools are performing or performing plus. Most of the districts in the state can't say that. But without everybody voting yes on 1 and 2, we won't be able to maintain that momentum, and we'll more than likely have to do some cuts here and there. So vote yes on 1 and 2. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Gary Burton, Governing Board Member for Saddle Mountain Unified School District. I'm hoping that you'll all vote yes on the override questions 1 and 2. We really need your support. Our children need our support, and I hope you all understand that we have the lowest tax rate in all of Maricopa County for school districts. There's no reason why we shouldn't be able to support our children and do what we need to do to have positive and productive citizens later on in our community. Thanks.